Without light, everything is black. The light emits particles called photons, which bounce off solid objects in all directions before eventually reaching the eye. In order to see well, the tissue that they go through must be transparent. First, the cornea, located at the front of the eye. Then, the crystalline lens behind the pupil. Then, the vitreous body in the middle of the eye. Finally, they reach the retina, the eye's photographic plate, stopping at the retinal pigment epithelium, where they set off nerve pulses. These pulses are directed towards the optic nerve, and then the optic pathways, before arriving at the occipital brain where the image is formed. This process is what enables us to take in the world around us.